capacity is around 400,000 tons each year. In the past 7 years, our products export more than 30 countries and have big market in domestic and international markets. Our own brand, Tianjin Guoying, is widely recommended in Middle East, Africa, America, Brazil, and Southeast Asia markets. The branch company, Tianjin Guoying International Trade Company Limited, mainly export hot-dipped galvanized steel pipe, pre-galvanized pipe, ERW black steel pipe, welded square tube, and other mild steel products. Meanwhile, we can produce some special specification as the customers request. The principle is customer is God and integrity of management. We provide qualified products and good services to our domestic and international customers so that we can benefit each other. Your kindly contact will be highly appreciated and welcome to our company for a nice long-term business cooperation.